Hello and welcome to the PDF Alchemist demonstration video. PDF Alchemist is a new C++ SDK for intelligently extracting text and images from PDFs and exporting them to HTML5 or Epub. Alchemist employs sophisticated techniques to identify and reconstruct text flows and structure within the PDF. Alchemist is packaged as a DLL on Windows platforms and an SO file on Linux for integration into your own applications, but we will run the command line version for this demo. Let's take a look at how it works. This is our example file that we'll be using. As you can see on the page here, it uses a number of different styles in the first paragraph, and left, center, and right alignment on the bottom paragraphs. Page 3 is a multi-column text. Page 4 contains some images, links, and lists. Page 5 contains a table. And page 6 is again the continuation of the table. The command line version is going to be passed the input file and the output directory. And this is the output in the single HTML format. Alchemist can create multiple HTML files based on page numbers or based on bookmarks, but I chose the default options, which will create a single file. You'll also notice that it creates a style sheet along with the HTML. The HTML matches the PDF in terms of the styles that are used for different paragraphs: underlines, italics, bolds, bold italics. The paragraph alignment for here is left aligned, center, and then right aligned. As we move on to the next page, in the multi-column text, Alchemist has determined that the text flows from this first column down to the second column and has merged that all into a single column format. The images on page 4 are transferred to the images here in the HTML output, and the links get transferred to HTML links. The list at the bottom of page 4 is converted into an HTML list, and the table on page 5 is converted into an HTML table with embedded lists and links within that table. The text and styles that we saw in the earlier pages are again repeated in the table and are caught and transferred to the appropriate HTML code. Fonts that are embedded within the PDF file will be converted to TrueType fonts and stored within the fonts folder. Images will be converted and stored in the images folder. I should note that in addition to the HTML output that we have been reviewing, Alchemist supports conversion to Epub format. It also has additional options for retaining pagination artifacts such as headers and footers or removing them from the HTML output. Alchemist also supports splitting the output into multiple HTML files based on the PDF page ranges or bookmarks, and also supports flattening PDF acroforms. Thank you for watching. Evaluation downloads of PDF Alchemist can be found at the Datalogics website.